Hi, in front of me is Nokia C20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type recorder. Then download one of those apps, I will go with that one, and open it. Now choose while using the app, click allow and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the smaller one, and if you want to end your recording and save it, click on the big one again. Then name your recording however you want to and choose OK. To access list of all your recordings, click on this left icon with headphones.
The boy who lived. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley.
And close the NAT. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. You can always delete it by clicking on bin icon at the bottom right corner, clicking on one of your recordings and choosing delete. Then OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!